How to use fake tweet generator. Open Zeoob.com and under Twitter menu click Fake Tweet Generator. You must agree to the terms of usage to use this tool. Select a profile picture and enter full name and Twitter handle name for the user. Select your post image and enter the post message. Enter the name of device. You can hide or show fact check warning. You can add or remove the official tick. You can switch between light, dim and dark themes. I will use dim theme. Enter time and date of the tweet. Enter retweet and like count. Set liked and retweet status of the post. Click Save your tweet to make the image of your tweet. Click Download button to download the generated tweet. Once downloaded, click the image file to open it. Congratulations, you have just created a simulated tweet on Twitter. Don't forget to visit Zeoob.com for more social media simulators.